Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm not going to do a lot of talking because I would sit here forever talking about this, but basically I'm just here to show you guys what Turtle Wax gifted me. Honestly, I don't even know how I got my hands on this. I just got an email from Turtle Wax telling me that I was selected and they were going to send me a box full of goodies and something new that hasn't even came out, and basically to join the team for their 75th anniversary. They were going to do a Zoom meeting. Basically, yes, the main thing I'm here to talk about is this. This is a ceramic graphene paste wax. So I've never even used paste wax in my life. I use liquid waxes and spray waxes. But this is totally something completely different to me. Honestly, I'll show you guys on the video, me and my brother installing this on the car that we worked on today. But basically, yeah, like I said, I don't even know how I got my hands on this, how I got selected by Turtle Wax. Maybe because I make videos and they see that I use a lot of their products. But anyways, I'm super happy to be part of this. Honestly, you know, I wasn't expecting this. In the box, they sent out 2 shirts. This is one of those. A snapback, a couple stickers, the applicating pad. You know, I think I got it because all the YouTube videos that I make for my detailed channel, I don't make money off of this, so I really didn't expect to ever receive anything from any company. But I'm definitely happy to receive my first gift, right? So yeah, basically what it is a unique blend of 10 waxes infused with SiO2, graphene for intense gloss, slickness, durability, and UV protection. Everybody knows what a wax does. It's supposed to protect your paint and last quite a bit. So honestly, I don't know how long this is gonna last. This is my first time trying it on this vehicle. Yeah, let me open it up and show you guys what it looks like, if the camera can catch it. It smells really good. It's not strong. It smells good, honestly. This is $35. You can buy it online. It's an honor for me to receive this before a lot of people got their hands on this. And yeah, I'm gonna keep using Turtle Wax. I've been using Turtle Wax for a while, ever since basically I started my own company about 8 months ago. I started off with Turtle Wax. As soon as they came out with their new hybrid solution line for ceramic spray, ceramic wet wax, stuff like that, I started with that, and I haven't tried anything else because obviously people love my details. They keep coming back, so you know, the products are good. I don't plan on changing them anytime soon. There's obviously better products out there, but they're more expensive. But for what I'm doing and what I'm offering, this is perfect for me and my situation. It makes everybody happy. It's user friendly. It's not something you have to really order. This you do, but like a lot of the Turtle Wax products, you can just go to Walmart, AutoZone, Advance, Auto Parts, and get whatever you need. For me specifically, I can literally just walk to Advance or AutoZone and pick something out that I need, so it's a big plus. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be a short video of me applying this on it's a Toyota CXR, beautiful color. So I just wanted to try it on this car specifically because of the color. I wanted to see if it was gonna make it pop. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Alright guys, so at this point what I'm using is a different soap this time. This time I'm using Purple Power Vehicle and Boat soap. This is a strip wash that I'm doing. Basically, this is the first time I've cleaned this car, so I wanted to make sure that before I applied the graphene paste wax that it didn't have any type of protection on the paint. So that's why I'm using Purple Power. So because that's a very good stripping soap to remove any previous waxes, sealants, anything. That way the paint is clean and ready for a new wax. We never wash a vehicle going in circular motions. It's always up and down and across, but never in circular motions. That's what creates swirl marks, and this is how you make sure you're washing the vehicle the right way. And you have to end the wash with the final rinse down. You gotta make sure you get rid of all the soap. For my drying aid, I use Turtle Wax ceramic wet wax, as you guys are seeing right now. Proper drying is also very important when it comes to detailing. That's why we always go, like I said, across only. Not in circular motions, straight up and down, across. Now, this right here, you want to go in circular motions when you apply this wax. This has no abrasives, so you don't have to worry about scratching or creating swirl marks. Let's make that clear. If you're not that experienced with detailing, they recommend always using 2x2 sections or a panel at a time, but this wax allows you to actually cover the whole side of that vehicle before you actually start removing the wax if you want to, but you can also do it as you go. It's preference. One thing I need to mention is you cannot get the plastic or the trim touched with this wax because it will stain it. You have to be really careful with that. Now when it comes time to remove the wax, you need 2 microfiber towels. One to basically for your first removing step, and then the second one basically to buff it out and make it shine. I have more experience when it comes to applying different types of waxes or ceramic coatings, so I have a little bit more knowledge, so I do this a little bit better, but the results are still the same. It honestly doesn't matter how you apply it as long as you apply it evenly. After you apply it, this is how it's supposed to look like. As you guys can see, you need 2 different microfiber towels. This is the first one, and as you guys can also see, the wax comes out fairly easy. Like, I wasn't struggling at all to remove it. The second microfiber towel, like I said earlier, you just basically, what you're doing is you're just kind of buffing out the excess of the wax and refining it. And this is how the Toyota CXR turned out. Beautiful blue color. This is my favorite color on a car, so you guys can see why. I mean, that shine, the gloss, beautiful. Like, it just stands out so much.